Hi guys, Logan Wolfie here, and today I have a Progress Lighting Signature Series ceiling fan 52 inch. Now I'm not going to get into all the details about this fan right now. I will in the next video, but yes, those are not the original globes, and yes, that is not the original mounting wire. I got this fan in the discount section at Lowe's for $17.85. Or no, not $17.85, $17.50, because apparently they discontinued it, so they're not making these anymore or selling them anymore. So we'll turn on the light. Much better. Now we'll start it all on high.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
So yeah, that was the Progress Lighting Signature Series ceiling fan. The fan, you couldn't find a name on it except the Progress Lighting Signature Series. So if you guys could leave a name of this fan down below, that would be awesome. And remember to thumbs up, thumbs down, like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for the second part, because I'll be describing exactly how this fan arrived and how I got it. Logan Wolfie out.